tell me something. When you dream of the future, what do you see? Is it an image of yourself? Successful and proud and everything you never thought you'd be? Matter of fact, here's a better question. When you wake up, does it ever seem like it could be a reality? Or is it just something you keep confined within the limits of your mind because you're scared you won't find what you're looking for? Because you see, life is like that. It pushes you over the edge only to pull you right back. It knocks the wind out of you and expects you to fight back. Just know that on this journey of enlightenment you will be tested. And right when you think that you've had enough, hope comes around. It picks you back up. But it's not going to be easy. It'll be hard and bloody. You must have faith that this journey you started on won't lead you astray. Because I know that success can either define or destroy you. Destroy you.
I don't know what it is, but these motherfuckers, they keep fucking with my mind. I guess they don't know who the fuck they dealing with. So let me break this shit down for y'all. They try to play me like a fool, but I kept my cool. I keep my anger on the low, but it might overroll. About to act out of line, I'm so afraid, cause I got so much anger, I got so much hate. Control the whispers in my head are telling me to go ahead till everybody is dead. Your shit is here to stay. Make them remember your face. Make sure it's you they brace. Retaliate with hate. Control the whispers in my head are telling me to go ahead till everybody is dead. Your shit is here to stay. Make them remember your face. Make sure it's you they brace. Retaliate with hate.